Good afternoon, boys and girls, and welcome back to another little math session here. Within this session, we'll be discussing adding and subtracting decimals, as well as multiplying decimals. Adding and subtracting are combined because their rules are very similar. The only difference is one you're adding and the other you are subtracting. So the rules are you're going to line up your decimals, you're going to add or subtract as you normally would, then you just bring down your decimal point. All right, let's go ahead and complete these two problems. First problem, we have an addition problem. As you can see, my decimals are aligned. I'm going to go ahead now and add this and just bring my decimal down. Make sure again you don't make a simple error with addition here, nor subtraction when we get to that problem. Okay, 0 plus 6 is 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 carry the 1. I'm going to bring my decimal down. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then bring down your 1 here. So our final answer is 15 and 56 thousandths. Right? And also, if you want to take this further, you can check this with subtraction. All right, going back to this problem now, subtraction problem. Again, you can also check your final answer for this problem by doing the inverse operation, which is addition. Now, please, this is where we were having some issues with the regrouping process, when you have to regroup. All right, let's start with the first value here. There's a decimal here, sorry. All right, 6 minus 0 can take place. We can do that. 6. 2 minus 8 cannot occur. We need to borrow 10 here. This is a 12. I'm going to go ahead and finish the regrouping process. I can't stop here because I can't do 6 minus 8, so this is going to become a 15. I need to stop here. It's my final area of borrowing. I can stop there. I can finally borrow one whole. So now go ahead and solve this based on the regrouping you just completed. 12 minus 8 is 4. 15 minus 8 is 7. Bring down your decimal. 7 minus 3 is 4. So our final answer for this subtraction problem of decimals is 4 and 746 thousandths. All right, the next step concerning decimals we are currently working with is multiplying decimals. Now the rules are a little different here. You do not have to line your decimals up when you're multiplying them, but you're going to multiply as normal, and you're going to count your decimal places. I'm going to make sure our product, which is our answer, has that many decimal places as well. Let's go ahead and jump into the first problem. First problem, we have 12 and 3/10 times 8. Let's go ahead and multiply 3 times 8. It's 24. 4 carry the 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Carry the 1. 8 times 1 is 1. Plus 1 is 9. And now, again, let's go to our decimal. Now we have to account for our decimal. There is one decimal within our factor pair here that we're multiplying. So I'm going to put a 1 here. It's just going to tell me I need to move my decimal place one place over here. Our final outcome should be 98 and 4/10. Now, if you're checking this to see if your answer is reasonable, because the directions do state to do so, check with estimation to see if your answer is reasonable. I will look at this as money. So 12 and 3/10 is just like $12.30. That is closer to 12. And keep my whole number of 8. My final answer here is 96. So is 98 and 4/10 reasonable, close in proximity to 96? Yes, it is. Doesn't mean your answer is accurate, but you probably have the correct answer because it is in reasonable. It is in reason. All right, the last problem. That was multiplying a decimal by a whole number. Now we'll be multiplying a decimal by a decimal. Follow the same procedures and then count your decimal places. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this problem. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Put your placeholders. You're going to the tens place now. There's 5 here. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Go ahead and add. We have 6 here. 13. 5. 4. Account for your decimals now. We have a decimal here, a decimal here. We have 2 decimal places we need to account for in our product. So come down to your product, move 2 places over. 1, 2. Your final answer should be 45 and 36 hundredths. All right, these are the 2 lessons we have completed thus far. The next lesson we're going to go into is dividing decimals by a whole number as well as dividing decimals by decimals. Again, if you have any questions, please put the question in your commenting section down below, and I will get to it as soon as possible. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.